everyone. In this video, we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 9.3. And the question says you have to show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. Okay. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram and its diagonal BD and AC intersect at O. Okay, and we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, means they divide each other into 2 equal parts, means this part must be equal to this part and this part must be equal to this part. And in another word, we can say that O is the midpoint of its diagonal. O is the midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of DB. And in a triangle, we know that. Now if I consider this triangle as ABC, okay, I am considering this as ADC, and because because O is the midpoint of this AC, therefore DO must be the median here. Okay, because this is the midpoint and median is something which divide opposite sides into 2 equal parts. And there is another property for median. In a triangle, median also divide a triangle into 2 equal parts area-wise. That's clear? Okay, so that means the area of this is equals to area of this. Similarly, if I work in this triangle ADB, in this triangle, O will act as a midpoint of this diagonal DB. So in this triangle ADB, AO is a median, so it should divide this triangle into 2 equal parts. So obviously the area of this triangle must be equals to the area of this triangle. And similarly, in this triangle ABC, in this triangle, again this BO will be the median because O is the midpoint of this AC, and in that case area of this must be equals to area of this because this median should divide this triangle into 2 equal parts. So this is how we can prove that all 4 parts are equaling area. That means diagonal divide a parallelogram into 4 equal parts. Okay, same thing you have to write here, that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, means O is the midpoint for AC as well as for DB. Now, first of all, we are working in triangle DAC. Okay, so in triangle DAC, DO is the median because O is the midpoint of this AC, so DO must be the median here. So in triangle this, DO is the median. This is for this statement. So in this triangle DO is the median, therefore it should divide triangle DAC into 2 equal parts, and that means the area of triangle ADO must be equals to the area of triangle DOC. This is our first equation. So in this triangle ADC, DO is the median, means the area of this part must be equal to the area of this part. This is our first. Now similarly you have to work in two other triangles. The first one is triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, AO is the median, means it should divide this triangle into two equal parts. So dividing this triangle into two equal parts means the area of this part must be equal to the area of this part. So the area of DAO must be equal to the area of AOB. This is our second equation. Similarly, in third triangle, and that in this case that triangle is ABC. Okay, so in this triangle, again O is the midpoint of this AC, means BO must be the median, and this median should divide this triangle into two equal parts. The triangle is ABC. In triangle ABC, BO is the median, therefore it should divide this triangle into two equal parts, means area of triangle AOB must be equal to the area of triangle BOC. This is our third equation. Now all these four parts are equal to each other. This part is equal to this part is equal to this part, and this part is equal to this part, means all four parts are equal. So you have to compare, you have to write that comparing all three equations, we can confirm that the area of triangle DOC is equal to the area of triangle DOA is equal to the area of triangle AOB, and that is equal to the area of triangle OBC, means the area of all four parts in this parallelogram is equal, and that means the parallelogram the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into four equal parts. Okay, so this is how we can solve this question. I hope you have understood how to solve this. Still, if you have any problem, you can directly contact to us. The phone number, the email address and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.